Hello, my name is Mo, and I'm practicing Taekwondo, and I'm quickly losing my shade here in Houston, Texas. I've been practicing 15 years with Grandmaster Kai-Ha Cho, who's been teaching for over 32 years in Houston, Texas. I'm putting these videos online to assist students in practicing at home what they've learned in class. There's nothing like practicing in a good school. This is just an aid, a reference. So there are many martial arts and many styles within those martial arts. What I'm sharing with you is what I have learned from Grandmaster Kai-Ha Cho in Houston, Texas. Anytime you start an exercise program, you make sure that you're in good health. Go to your doctor and make sure that you can start an exercise program. If you're practicing outside, make sure you drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Excuse me. Okay. This is Yul Gok. Let me think now. 38 movements. Blue. Oh. Yep. Blue. And I'm going to begin. Chiyat. Chumbi. I'll show you common errors as I go along if I think of them. Okay. Shijak. Riding stance. Pull your fists in. Both fists. This one palm, fingers up. This one fingers down. Okay? Slow punching. Quick punching. Punch, punch. Keep the knees bent. Feet together, feet apart. Slow punching. Punch, punch. Okay? Step into a front stance. Inner forearm block. Front snap. Punch, punch. Okay? Step again. Inner forearm block. Front snap. Punch, punch. I'm going to step back a little bit, and I'm going to start this over again. Okay, that front snap kick, you bend your leg. Again, that's a common mistake I see young students do oftentimes is they'll do this or some kind of like a roundhouse kick. This is a very straight on kick. Leg comes up, snap, and step. Okay, let me start again. Chumbi, shijak. And slow punching, punch, punch. Feet together, slow punching, punch, punch. Front stance, inner forearm block. See, the hand comes in every time. Don't let your hand hang out here. When it's not doing something, pull it into your waist. Front snap, left, right. Front stance, inner forearm block. Front snap kick, right, left. Shift into a front stance. Back up a little, okay? Keep that arm up. Strike high, like to the neck. Strike, and then punch. See, it's alternating. Keep that hand up as you step forward. Still in a front stance. Strike, strike, punch. Step forward, punch. From your back leg, you're going to shift the weight onto this leg. Side kick. Land in a front stance. That's a difficult move. Leg that's in front, that's the hand that's open. Elbow to hand, not hand to elbow. Okay? Keep the hand open, straight. Okay, so use your body. Okay, and not this. Don't grab on, don't have this in here like this. You want this like that, see? You're not even touching the hand, really. You're hitting the elbow to the hand. Okay? Like this. Alright, so now, and fist tight here. Step a little bit with your foot, look behind, fighting stance. Step behind. See, when you step into the fighting stance, you're lining up for a step behind side kick. Side kick, land in a front stance. This leg is in front, so this hand's open. Elbow to hand, see, like that. Okay. Elbow to hand. Bring the back leg forward into a good back stance. Just like that double block we talked about, this is an open block. Open block. Chamber, spear finger. Open block, spear finger. Step to the back, front stance. Outer forearm block like in Tosan, punch. Stepping forward, keep that back stance. Don't let yourself turn into a back front stance or a front back stance. Keep that front stance with your hips forward. Did we do the block punch? Yeah? Then turn the foot, bring that one behind, chamber, Kia! Turning, good front stance. Hands come up into a twin block, double block. Hands up, nice and tall, see level with the shoulders. Step into a good front stance and last move. Okay? All right, from the back. Three, she, jack. Slow punching, punch, punch. Feet together. Slow punching, punch, punch. Front stance, inner forearm lock. Front snap, punch, punch. Shift. Front stance, inner forearm lock. Front snap, punch, punch. Shift into a front stance. Keep this arm up. Strike with the right, left, and punch with the right. Strike, strike, punch. Step forward, punch. Back leg side kick. Land in the front stance. Elbow attack. Look behind. Step behind, side kick. Land in a front stance. Elbow attack. Back stance. Remember, not this. Do this, okay? And spear finger. And twin open. And spear finger. And front stance. Chamber. Block. Punch. Remember, not this. Okay? Block. Punch. Step forward. Block. Punch. And here, feet together and kia! Good front stance. Feet together. And make your last move. Good front stance. Strong block. Okay? And hello. Okay, two things. This block, make sure this is about your chin level and that your hands aren't out here or over here. They're right in your center line, okay? Right like that. All right? And the other thing is, let me see, I'm going to do it behind you. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're here. That jumping thing, you know, everybody makes it, you turn your foot, you step behind, okay? So you have one foot here, one foot here. I'm not going to do the hands. You step and behind, okay? Step and behind, step and behind. Practice that a few times. It's very easy, okay? You should be able to keep your balance, no problem. Okay, so you're here, you turn, you step, and now I'm adding the hands. Chamber, and I'm doing slow-mo. You step here, and then you block. Kia! We're going to do it one more time slow. Okay? Here. Here. See, good balance. Step. Kia! That's slow, okay? It's not a jumping up in the air. It's a sideways jump, kind of. Okay, so here. Chamber. Kia! Okay, one more time. Here. Chamber. Kia! All right, and then. Okay, so you get it. All right, that is Yul Gok. My name is Mo. I'm practicing Taekwondo. If you want to access more about me, free books, booklets, cards, music, and more, check out my website, expandingheart.com. I'm Mo. I'm practicing Taekwondo. Peace, love, and happy practicing.